Hello, hi guys. Welcome you all to the DevOps Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps tasks challenge. I am here on the Chrome browser. Let me type engineer.kodekloud.com/practice. Hit enter. I directly got these tasks UI because I auto saved my password and username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen. Let me click on the start button. Today is our day 12 Linux network services. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Okay, we got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look into the solution. Our monitoring tool has reported an issue in status data center. One of our app servers has an issue, as its Apache service is not reachable on port 5003, which is the Apache port. The service itself could be down, the firewall could be at fault, or something else could be causing the issue. Use tools like Telnet, Netstat, etc. to find and fix the issue. Also make sure Apache is reachable from the jump host without compromising any security settings. Once fixed, you can test the same using command call http://stapp01:5003 command from jump host. One of our app servers is having issue. Let me use the telnet to check the connectivity of our app servers and port 5003. It is not reaching. Let me check for app server 2. Yeah, it is working. Control C, enter. Let me check for app server 3. Yeah, it is also working. We came to the conclusion that our app server 1 is having the issue. So let me log into app server 1 and to check what happens to the Apache service. SSH, and what is the username? Let me click on this details of all users and servers button to get the username and password details of our app server, and stapp01 is the server name, Tony is the username. We copy the password, SSH, username is Tony @stapp02, enter, yes, and then password, paste it. Sorry, SSH, Tony is the username and stapp01 is the server name. Type yes, and then let me paste the password, enter, yes. Now we logged in. Let me try to clear the screen. It is not working, but it is fine. Now let me do this. Su space hyphen. Let me paste the password. Now let me check the status of systemctl status httpd. It is failed, and the reason, okay, address already in use, could not bind to address. Okay, Control C. Now let me do the netstat -lmtp grep, and then what is our port that we need to check? 5003, enter. See, it is listening and it is on the 444 process, so we need to kill it. Kill 444, enter. Now let me try to check again. Now it is not showing anything, means it is ideal. Now let me try to restart it. Systemctl restart httpd, systemctl status httpd, command typo here. Now it is active and running. Control C, Now let me try to check the connectivity. Telnet ST app 01 and then 5003. Still having the issue, no route to host. So if you are getting this kind of error, most probably it is due to the firewall. Okay, so let me check. IP tables -L list all rules and -N, so in the numerical format. See here we have policy accept all the input rejected, only 22 port is enabled, remaining all are rejected. So we need to change this port. For that, let me check online how to open firewall port in IP tables of Linux. This is the command that we can use. Let me paste it here. Remove this, and here let me type our port number 5003. Hit enter. Now let me check again. See here. Even though it is accepted, but still reject is at the first, right? So it will be implemented. So we need to change this one. Sequence in IP tables. So with the help of these two commands, we are going to move our accept rule into the above reject rule. Yeah, here if you see accept reject or places were replaced. Earlier it was reject and accept. Now let me click on this terminal too and check the telnet. We can able to do the telnet. Now let me check this call. See, we are getting the output, meaning whatever the task that we did, it worked. Okay, so let's click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm. Yes, we did it right. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in next video with yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps challenge. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.